we have a TwoNav application. So this is an Android application. This have an interface. So when you look at the interface, we have a map which is loaded with all the information, and then we have a northing or the compass, and we have an option to save the waypoints, and we have an option for zooming and zoom out, and this is to recenter the location. And if you don't want to see all the map, then you can just go for the full screen, and then you can zoom in and out. And after this you have the satellite icon which is showing the GPS signal here. So when you go to the satellite status, you can see the GPS is fixed and the accuracy is right now decreasing. It is 12 meters now. And then in the advanced, you can select if you want a continuous connection or intermittent connection, you can choose it. And then when it comes to the app profile, you can select hiking or mountain biking, so it can be used for different ways. So you can select any of these, and after that you have a sensors, so you can connect any heart rate sensor or any other sensor here. And next comes the activity. So whatever the activity you are doing, it will be recorded here. You can either start the activity here or you can go to here, and if you want, you can go for the pin mode, which means to locate a position or to pin your location, which will be like saving here. And this is how you will get the coordinates on the top and the mean sea level or the elevation from the mean sea level. And if you don't want, you can just go for the close, and if you want to create a new waypoint, you can directly go for the new point, and you will have different options. Like if you want to use the current position, you can click on the current position and give the name and save it. Or if you want to create a waypoint based on the map, you can select the map anywhere and then you can select the point. Or if you want to see by a waypoint, you can see any stored waypoints, and from that also you can save a waypoint. Or if you want to go manually, then you can click on the coordinates and then enter the latitude longitude positions, and then you can save a point here. So after this, if you want to create a new track, you can go for a name and give a track, and also you can go for hiking or walking or any other kind of sport, and then color for the track. And then you can, once you click on the start, you will have options like free activity, or if you want to stop, you can stop it here, and the activity will be saved. And here you will have all the information of the lap analysis, the distance you have covered, the speed you have traveled, the track points that have covered, and energy if you are using any kind of sensor, and the GPS points. And here you can take the photographs if you want, so you can just go for the file and then you can click on it and then take a photograph. So everything will be saved here. And if you want to have a map, new map, you can go for the routes here. Here in the my activities, you can see the track which you have created, and then you can go for the details of the track, or you can also go for the routes in the track log, and then the list of waypoints you can see here, and the maps. Here are some basic maps you have, and if I disable it, then I'll have a different view of the map. If I go for other setting and then disable one, you'll have a different map here. And in the maps, you can have different options like install any purchased maps, or if you want to buy any maps, you can go for the online maps, or if you have any maps, you can import the files. And when it comes to the settings, you can go for the activity profile, or you can add anything. And then in the system, you can go for the language and the unit of measurements, the depth, pressure, distance, and then altitude here, and the coordinates. If you want to go for degrees or minutes or seconds or any other decimal way, you can go. And also you can select the datum, and the lat long positions you can change UTM or Mercator or elliptical, anything. And when you have a map shop, you can select and buy different maps here. So you can go for the view all maps, and then you'll see the whole map list here. So you can buy any of these maps and then you can load it.